Increase your word power. When you want to say what you want to say, are you able to say it well? Do you have the words you need to convey all your ideas? Do you have the confidence that you have the command over words, or do you find yourself groping for the right words? Yes, you need to increase the word power, your word power. Let us now get down to business and try out the words. I will have the power. Group them into one. Some words have similar meanings. We know them to be synonyms. In a group of words which have similar meanings, you may know one word better than the others. Place it in the center and others on the either side of it. Now, find the shades of meanings that all these words convey. You can do it with the help of a dictionary. How do we begin? Of course, we begin with an idea. Think of something. Shall we begin with feelings? Yes, we need feelings. What can we do without feelings? Life is meaningless without feelings, right? Main word, feelings. Can we think of words related to feelings? Emotions, sensations, sentiments, passion. Now we will center them. Sensations, emotions, feelings, sentiments, passion. So, we have placed the most familiar word in the center and the others on the either side. The less familiar on either side and the least familiar at the extremes. The next step is to find their differences by using them in sentences of your own. I have a feeling that we have to improve our general knowledge. Don't take a hasty decision guided by your emotion alone, but use some reason as well. Mark Antony's speech caused a sensation to start a revolt. Our sentiments are deep for the people deprived of their basic necessities. Jane Goodall had a passion for the welfare of chimpanzees. In this way, find similar words for the following and arrange them according to how well you know them. Happiness, joy, gladness, delight, cheer, relish. Make, prepare, provide, process, pave the way. Humorous, witty, amusement, whimsical, ludicrous, comical, jest. Respect, regard, reverence, honor, adoration. Earth, globe, world, geosphere, biosphere, terra firma. Catch, catching, caught. It is a verb which means to take hold of. Catch this ball. To capture after a chase. The police were able to catch the thief after a chase. To detect something. They caught him red-handed when he tried to unlock the safe. To reach and board a transportation. They were late, but they managed to catch the train. To get infected. Don't drink that chilled fruit juice. You will catch a cold. To hear clearly. Sorry, I couldn't catch what you said. To attract. With all the show he made of himself, he couldn't catch her eye. To understand. It was too technical, we couldn't catch the meaning. To be affected emotionally. We caught our breath in utter disbelief. To be lighted up. The oil tank caught fire. It can be a noun, meaning anything that is caught. The traditional fishing people had a good catch. It can refer to a drawback.
Quite unexpectedly, there was a catch in the plan.
It also functions with a prepositional element to become a phrasal verb as we see in catch on, catch up, catch out. The English word catch must have come from 13th century Old French, catchen, meaning to pursue, which in turn must have derived from Latin, captere, meaning to snatch. Special reference, the Collins Concise Dictionary of the English Language. Here is another example. Achieve is a verb. Look at the example. After many failures, he achieved success in his final attempt. What is the noun form? Achievement. Can we have an example of its use? Determination and perseverance alone can ensure one's achievement.